Have an app on your site and want to use its collection inside a custom design? Here's how to enable it. In this design, I want the blog collection content to populate this custom repeater I created. But right now, the desired collection isn't showing up. To enable it, head to your site dashboard. These are the blog posts I want to turn into a collection. Go to the CMS tab, open Advanced Settings, and toggle on Advanced App Collections. Now go back to the editor and refresh. Add a dataset to the repeater and select the post collection under Wix App Collections. Then, connect each element in the repeater to its matching field. Title, image, description, anything you need. And just like that, your custom design is pulling in app content flawlessly.